This video is for people that want to make money. Yes, if you want to make money, you want to make money in 2026. If you are sure you want to make money, just sit down and watch this video. So if you don't want to make money, you don't like money, you are free to go. Are you still here? Okay, that means you really want to make money. So let's forge ahead. So in this 2026, you are still borrowing. You are not making money yet, and you have your smartphone, and you are not creating content. Here I will share with you 5 viral niche that you can start up, that this niche will blow your channel. Yes, in this 2026, it will help your channel to blow in this 2026. Just sit down and listen. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you 5 viral niches that can help your channel blow up, and this niche, it will help you to earn more on YouTube. All right, so if you want to make money whether on YouTube or Facebook or TikTok, this video is for you. The reason why I'm making this video, as you can see, I'm standing to make this video to show you that I really want to help you. Yes, I want to help you make money this year. Don't be lazy about. Don't stop borrowing money from friends to solve your problem. You can still solve your problem. It's not too late. So far you have your smartphone. Yes, so far you have your smartphone, you can start creating content. All right, okay, so stay with me. Let me share with you top 5, yes, or 5 viral niches that can help you blow up. Number 1 of them is lifestyle content. Have you noticed on Facebook lately, people have started sharing about what they do, their normal daily routine, their cooking, what they do every day? People have started posting what they do, and it's engaging. This will help you to solve all your problems. You will make money off it. You will make money from whatever you do in your daily basis. Assuming you are going to the market to get something, start vlogging about it. Start making market vlogging. It will help to boost your channel on YouTube or boost your Facebook. Yes, you start creating content on those things. You are cooking food. You are the type that normally cooks food. Yes, you normally cook food in your house. Start making money from that you're cooking. Start making money. Start to vlog about it. Start creating content on your food content. Yes. And again, get ready with me videos. You see social media all these days, people tell me, okay, I'm going for a party, friends child dedication, I'm going for birthday party, this is what I have to wear, this is my outfit for the day, so on. People are making money from it. Or do you think there is no money inside it? They are making money. That's why they keep on doing it daily. All right, so if you have a smartphone, start creating this content now. This is the cheapest content that you can get. You don't need to prepare. You don't even need anything. You don't need to put on new clothes. You don't need to do anything. Put in effort for it, and you will start making your money. All right, so whether food content, market vlog, get ready with me videos, and some other things that you do at home, you can start creating content on them. All right, so I even listed it. I have a list. I compiled the list. If you cannot do this one, you will do this one. If you cannot do lifestyle, then you will do all these ones too. So whenever or whichever one that you can lay your hand in, I beg you to stop borrowing from your friend and stop worrying about money. Nobody will help you in this 2026 unless you help yourself. So stop worrying about money and start creating content. Start doing something on your own. It will really help you. Okay, let's forge ahead, because I have a list of what I wrote for you guys. If you cannot do lifestyle content, you can choose the second option. All right, I have them here. I want to help you start making money. Yes, I want you to start doing something for yourself. Whether you are working, this content is what you can do on a daily basis. Yes, if you are the type of person that works in an office, you can start doing your daily vlog. Yes, things you do, how you start preparing for work, and so on. All right, so if you cannot do lifestyle content, you can do review content. Yes, review content. You used to buy cream, right? used to apply different types of cream, used to use different types of face cream, body wash, perfumes and all that. Have you noticed that perfume critics or perfume reviews now, they are much on social media lately? Yes, I even used to watch them. I used to screenshot. Yes, because when they review perfume, I used to like, I'm a kind of person that I love to smell nice. So each time I see perfume review, I stop and watch these videos. So you can start yours. It mustn't be expensive perfumes. They are even reviewing perfume as low as 2,500 naira. Yes, you mustn't start to use the one of 20,000 or this. So far the scent is nice, you can start recommending it for people to buy. So let's talk about reviewing content. Like I made mention, you can start to review your perfume. Yes, you can start reviewing perfume. You can start reviewing things that you even buy on a normal basis. Yeah, you can even start to review market price on food stuff. Yes, start it. You went to market and the price changes, you can start. The other day I went to market, I bought this for 200, but today this one is now 500. Start it. Or I bought this particular mic for so and so amount and the price has changed. Start the review. It will help you in a long way. You might not know the one that will blow your channel up. Yes, and you'll start making money. So I want you to really make money this 20. Start reviewing content. Yes, review. You can be a food critic like Obeyemi. You go to restaurants, you taste their food, you review their foods. Yes, all right. So you can be skincare review. You can start reviewing skincare, your cream, like I said before. You can even start to compare things, the bad ones and the good ones. You can perfume reviews, low budget perfumes and all that. Like I made mention of it, I've said these things. So start it now and start to make money. The third one is fitness niche. Yes, you are the type of person you want to start. You like jogging, you like keeping exercise, and maybe you are even taking something that helps you to retain your shape, to make you give you a flat belly. You start telling people, oh, these are things that you can do to get a flat tummy. People will rush because so many girls, so many women, they want to lose their belly fats. So once you make mention of these are things that you can use to lose a belly fat, they will rush and watch your video. So these contents are the ones that can blow your channel up in this 2026, and you can start making money from all this content. Don't say I didn't tell you. So another one that I have to give you, this one is a sit down content. Yes, sit down content. The one you can sit and you start sharing stories. Yes, there are things that happen in your life. There are things that even if you cannot do a daily lifestyle vlog, you cannot talk about it, you can sit down and start talking about how your day went, what happened, what you encountered, your story, things that you cannot forget, a day you cannot forget in your life. You start sharing them. Yes, you can do gaming. Yeah, people used to talk about politics. You like politics and you're not talking about politics, you're not using it to make money, then why you go about ranting, arguing about? You are supposed to put it on social media. These things I'm saying, this need I'm saying is not only YouTube. Yes, you can start it on your TikTok, on your Facebook. It's not only limited to YouTube. You can start creating it elsewhere so that you can help monetize. Yes, Facebook will help you go viral easily. It's not like YouTube that you need to, before you go viral, it's a little bit hard. Okay, but it's not like, unlike Facebook push it there, you can easily connect to people on Facebook, so you can start from there. If you don't want to do on YouTube, you can start somewhere. The only thing I want you to do is to start from somewhere. Don't just sit down and while away your time. and waste money and lose money. Don't just sit down and lose money. Stand up and start making money today. Okay, so all these that I mentioned, make sure you start creating content. These are things that can help you start to make money in this 2026. So don't dull, don't just sit down, start making your own money. All right, so if you have watched to this extent and you love this content, please hit the subscribe button and like this video and follow. Subscribe for more, because here I talk about YouTube growth, I talk about lifestyle and what will help you make money. Okay, so if you are the type that like to make money, make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right, thank you for watching. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.